Hi ladies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something exciting to share with you guys. I'm excited. I don't know about you all. But yeah, it's another unboxing video, and I love doing these videos. I love them. And today we're gonna be unboxing this box. This is, I believe, the premium. I keep up with him on Instagram and on my Twitter. And I know he posted on Instagram that the people that ordered the premium were going to be shook. And I'm ready to be shook. Okay, I don't know the prices either, like, from the top of my head. But I will post it somewhere on the video, most likely, like, down here or across my face. Yeah, I like having things across my face. Okay, I haven't opened it. Okay, the first thing I saw is obviously the beanie. Look at the beanie. Super cute. It's red, Valentine's Day edition. I do gotta say though, I don't usually wear beanies. I don't think I look good in them. But I guess I could start with this one, right? I want to try it on. Double chin. My double chin. Messy hair. I don't know. I probably look more like my brother with this beanie. Oh, I like how this is on the side. It's cute. Cute. Okay, it's not that bad. I feel like I look more boyish with beanies though. I know I'm definitely gonna wear it. Because you know, you can't just not wear it. Hi. Hi. And then tissue paper. More tissue paper. Okay, so I'm definitely shook. I'm gonna leave that thing for last. And there's the pop socket, pink pop socket. I do gotta say I don't own a phone because phones aren't really my thing. So I will be doing a giveaway for this. Maybe a few other stuff, not just this, but this will be one of the things. I don't just want to have it and not use it. And the gloss, I love his gloss, and this one is named Succulent, and it looks like it's gonna be shimmery. Here it is. And I ripped it. The sticker, ripped the sticker. Look at that. It is gorgeous, beautiful. I can never get enough of this design. I want to try it on. I'll swatch it first, then I'll try it on. Oh, these smell like I'm gonna gain 5 more pounds just by smelling it. Oh, you can't really hear this angle. It looks pink, but here it doesn't. It look bluish, purplish, like this. Can't tell really, but it looks pink. Okay, I gotta try this on. I'm sorry, I can't just continue without trying it on. I look cute today. I just need eyelashes. That is so cute. And I was just thinking about buying another lip gloss because I love them. Like, I really love his lip gloss, and I do really feel like I'm gonna gain 5 pounds just by smelling it because he smells so good. Okay, so it was that. Keep in mind, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. Yeah. And the last thing, oh, I don't even want to open it. Oh, the Alien palette. For those of you who do not follow Jeffrey or know, he discontinued this palette, and I went crazy looking for this palette. Morphe, his site, and they were sold out. I was like, no. Now I see why they were gone so fast. Oh, and the paper is shiny too. I don't even want to rip the tissue paper or the sticker. Oh, I did it. I did it. I didn't. The pink bubble wrap gets me every time. Okay. Hold it properly again. Yeah, this is not gonna hold properly without being in there. Close enough. I want to take it out. I want to feel it, and I want to see it, and I want to smell it, and I want to look at it. Look. Yes. I would love to create looks with this palette. Wow, that's pink. And I can't take it out. Look. And you can feel these. They're little bubbles. Can you squish them? Yeah, you can squish them. They're a little hard though. Look. Boom. Cute? Cute. Okay, now let's open it and look at these babies. Oh, these colors. I promise you they look better in person. Just look. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you. Flying saucer looks like a pretty color. I've always wanted a green. I have so much greens that aren't actually green. You know what I mean? Ears? Eyes. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in here for now. Ears. Alright, and that would be it for this video. Please don't forget to put a thumbs up. Share this with your video. Share this with your friends. And subscribe to my channel, muchachonas. Yeah, eso es todo. Gracias y que tengan unos buenos días, buenas noches, buenas tardes. For me, it's 7. So I'm gonna get ready to go to sleep. I had a long day, and there's so much I still have to do. Actually, yeah. Gracias, and I hope you see me next time. you know, next time I post another video. Yeah. Gracias y besos.